Good evening, everyone. Today, I'm going to do the digit and number models word problems from quadratic equation. This one is common for CBSE students and for ISE students 10 standard. Let two integers be. Now, when they talk about odd integers and if the integers are consecutive, then the numbers are x and x plus 2. If x is an odd integer, the consecutive odd integer will be x plus 2. And if it's even integer also, it is the same way. Consecutive even integer is also x and x plus 2. But if they say consecutive integer without naming whether it's odd or even, they just say consecutive integer without saying whether it's odd or even, then the integers are x and x plus 1. So if it's odd integer, the integer will be x and x plus 2. Even integer will be x and x plus 2. Or consecutive integer, without saying whether it's odd or even, we take it as x and x plus 1. So here it is consecutive odd integer. Hence, we take x and x plus 2. So, let the two integer be x and x plus 2. According to the question, the product of the two integer is 195. So, product is multiplication. X into x plus 2 equals to 195. Now, let's multiply this. We get x square plus 2x minus 195 equal to 0. Now factorize it by splitting the middle term or by quadratic formula. Minus 195 is the product and plus 2 is the sum. Now 13 into 15 will give us minus 195 and 15 minus 13 is plus 2. We just need to fix the sign. So let 13 be minus, 15 be plus. So when you multiply, you get minus 195 and when you add, you get plus 2. So x square minus 13x plus 15x minus 195 equals to 0. X out, x minus 13. 15 out, x minus 13. So x plus 15 into x minus 13 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 15 or 30. X being, so if x is minus 15, the next integer is x plus 2. So that means minus 15 plus 2 minus 13. Or if x being 13, x plus 2 will be 15. So two integers are either, the required integers are either 13 comma 15 or minus 13 comma minus 15. Second question, the difference of two numbers is 4. The difference of their reciprocal is 1 by 8. Find the numbers. As the difference of two numbers is 4, let one number be x. Let one number be x. If one number is x, the other number should be x plus 4 because the difference between the two numbers is 4. So if one number is x, the other number is x plus 4. Now, so this way x plus 4, this way x plus 4 is greater than x because x and x plus 4 are both natural numbers. If you add 4 to x, obviously the x plus 4 number is greater than x. But when you do 1 by, it's actually 1 by x that is greater than 1 by x plus 4. Alright, in simple, if 5 is greater than, what do you say? Okay, right. Let's take it as 9 greater than 5, but 1 by 5 greater than 1 by 9. Things like that. Now, difference between two numbers is 4. The difference of the reciprocal is 1 by 8. Difference of the reciprocal. So 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 4 equals to 1 by 8. Difference means minus. So 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 4 is equal to 8. Now let's take LCM. X plus 4 minus 8 by x into x plus 4 equal to 1 by 8. Cancel the x. So we get 4 by x into x plus 4 equals to 1 by 8. Now cross multiply. 8 fours are 32 equals to x into x plus 4. So x square plus 4x minus 32 equals to 0. Split the middle term. Product is minus 32. Sum is plus 4. So 8 into 4 will give us 32. Plus 8 minus 4 will give you plus 4. Plus 8 minus 4 multiplication will give us minus 32. Addition will give us plus 4. So x square plus 8x minus 4x minus 32 equal to 0. X times x plus 8 minus 4 times x plus 8 equal to 0. So x minus 4 into x plus 8 equal to 0. So we get x is equal to 4 or x is equal to minus 8. X equal to minus 8 is rejected because x represent natural numbers. Therefore, minus 8 is not a natural number. We have to reject it. So, if x is 4, the other number was x plus 4. So, the other number x plus 4, so that will be 4 plus 4, 8. Therefore, the two numbers or the required numbers are 4 and 8. Third question, the difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The difference of square of two number is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Alright, difference means, I told you difference means minus square of the two numbers. So let us assume the two numbers be x and y. Let the two numbers be x and y. It says difference of their squares. So that means x square minus y square equals to 180. That is what we get from the first line of the question. Then they say the square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Now, according to my assumption, x is the larger number, y is the smaller number because x square minus y square is positive 180. So, square of the smaller number, that means y square equal to, so square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. According to my assumption, y is the smaller number. So, y square is equal to 8 times x. So this information I get it from the second line of the question. Now let us substitute that in the first one. So you get x square minus 8x equals to 180. So x square minus 8x minus 180 equals to 0. Now split the middle term. Product is minus 180. Sum is minus 8. So 10 into 18 will give us minus 180. And minus 18 plus 10 will give us minus 180 and minus 8. So x square plus 10x minus 18x minus 180 equal to 0. Group the terms. X times x plus 10 minus 18 times x plus 10 equal to 0. So x minus 18 and x plus 10. X can be 18 or minus 10. Now, if x is 18, the next number is, x is 18, so y square equal to 8x. So with that you can find the y value. Now, what happens when x is 10? So when x is minus 10, y square is equal to 8 into minus 10. That's minus 18. And you can't take square root for a negative number. Hence, this is rejected. So this x and the y is rejected. So when x is 18, y square will be 8 into 18. So y will be root over 8 into 18. So root over 144. Not y square, y equal to root over 144. With that, you find y as 12. So y can be plus 12 or minus 12 because you're finding a square root of the square root of a number. I don't have place to write, so I'm writing the answer over here. So the numbers can be 8 comma 12 or 18 comma 12 or 18 comma minus 12. So this is the third one. Now fourth one. The sum of two numbers is 9. Sum of their squares is 41. So sum means addition. Let the two numbers be x and y. According to the first line of the question, x plus y equals to 9. According to the second line of the question, the sum of their squares. Sum of their square, which means square and then add it. So x square plus y square equals to 41. Now substitute this information on this so that you can make them into x form or in the y form. So I take y is 9 minus x and I'm going to substitute here. So x square plus 9 minus x the whole square equals to 41. So we get x square plus 9 square plus x square minus 18x equals to 41. Now this will give us a simple quadratic equation. 2x square minus 18x plus 81 minus 41 equals to 0. So 2x square minus 18x plus 40 equal to 0. Now this is entirely divisible by 2. So take 2 out. X square minus 9x plus 20 equal to 0. Now take the 2 out because you can bring the 2 to the other side and divide it with 0. So x square minus 9x plus 20 equal to 0. Product is 20, sum is minus 9. 5 into 4 and both are negative here, only then we get sum as minus 9. So x square minus 5x minus 9x plus 20 equal to 0. X times x minus 5 minus 9 times x minus 5 equal to 0. X equal to 5 or 9. X equal to 5 or 9. So when x is 5, y is 9 minus 5. So y will be 4. Or when x is 9, y will be 9 minus 9, 0. So the numbers, so that doesn't satisfy with the question because squares will not be 19. Hence this is rejected and the answer is 5, 4. Hope you understood this. Watch it again. I'll post more videos on quadratic.